You can run checks on independent contractors. There's certain processes, obviously, that you have to follow around obtaining authorization, making sure you make the appropriate disclosures, but it is possible to do it, for sure. Probably the most common mistake is that they don't do any screening at all. Typically, in an independent contractor situation, they may work directly for a servicing company, somebody who may provide repair, installation, or support services for your organization, and the expectation is that that servicing company has already done a background check on the independent contractor when they were hired. The challenge with that is you don't know what they checked, you don't know if that check meets your requirements, and your threshold for risk and tolerance in those results may be very different than theirs. So making the assumption that someone else has already done the check is one of the issues. Some organizations will also ask for self-certification, where the servicing company signs an affidavit saying, yes, I've done the check, but again, you want to be sure to protect your organization's risk and do the check yourself. Primarily, when you're doing a contractor background check, you're going to be focused on information that helps you reduce risk. So, you're not worried maybe about their skills and qualifications the same way as you would want to know, are they licensed to drive a vehicle for your organization? Are they a sex offender? Do they have an extensive criminal record? So it tends to be more record-related information that you're looking for so that you can determine if that independent contractor will pose a risk representing your organization. Probably the biggest difference between employee background checks and contractor background checks is the kind of information that you focus on. As I mentioned earlier, you're not going to be worried maybe so much about education or employment verification. You really want to be focused on risk-related information, so details around a driving or criminal record. Potentially you may want to do a drug screening as well. And that's information that has a direct applicability to the work that they would do for your organization. The things like employment and education would be the responsibility of their direct employer.